Okay, let's start Microsoft Excel 2016. Here we call blank workbook. Blank workbook allow you to create your Excel sheet by typing, by formatting, edit, copy, paste, etc. For the rest of this is original Excel tablet below as well. Table, a lot of many tablets. Group by name, business, a lot of tablet, tag, personal use, planner and tracker. Many tablets you can use. Category by tablet name. Business, wedding, chart, health, witness, financial, budget, log, food, project, calendar, event list, schedule, back to school, holiday, medical, publishing, weekly, no baby, to a lot of tablet category. Start from business. Yes, step by step. Business like we prepare a budget, chart, invoices, balance sheet, simple invoice, inventory, weekly time record, small cash log, small business income, small profit and loss, all related to the business, small business or any enterprise. Easy for businessman or woman. Personal, monthly budget, weekly choice schedule, loan calendar, personal express calendar, household to-do list, personal mileage tracker, family event calendar, photo family tree generator, lot of tablet. You can choose what you want and fit to your plan, to your file. Nutrition tracker. This is like database. Receipt, Maldition calendar, chart, many kind of chart. You can choose what you want. Business, marketing, budget, horizon is the file which you use and have created before. Save and you use to open it will be displayed on the left reading pane.